Hey guys, this is Faris and welcome to another episode of the Weekend Roundup. The Weekend Roundup is where we tell you about all the coolest events happening here in Qatar over the weekend. Ladies, this event is just for you. Get inspired by the experience of other women, share ideas and network in the upcoming Doha Women Forum 2018 happening on the 26th of the current month at Westin Doha. It will feature the stories of women who took steps to effect positive change in their workplace, their community and personal lives and will consist of empowering talks, group discussions and workshops. Registration is as early as now at Q Tickets. I guess I'm hearing some wedding bells ringing for our second event. Known as Qatar's most prominent wedding exhibition, IWED is back to Qatar on its 11th Epic edition and it's set to stage a high-profile luxury wedding exhibition in order to position it in the calendar as a key appointment for the luxury market in the Middle East and beyond. Happening from the 26th until the 30th of September, you can visit their website now for more details. Are you into sport and charity at the same time? Then the Unified Triskelion of Qatar is partnering with Pinot Q Masters Club to bring us the Billiards for a Cause 9-Ball tournament this Friday at the Rendezvous Bowling and Billiard Alley from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. It's for free and you can check out their Facebook page to know more. Fortniters, you'll love this. The biggest video game of the year, Fortnite, is having a solo challenge at Virgin Megastore VILLAGIO branch until September 30th, and all geeks are welcome to participate. So if you think you have the guts to win, put the game face on and get a chance to win special prizes. See you all there! It's popcorn time! Critically acclaimed Hollywood drama thriller Searching is screening tonight and all day tomorrow at the Museum of Islamic Art Auditorium 1 week ahead of its GCC release. And the Doha Film Institute's website is the place to go if you want to secure your tickets. They're selling like hotcakes, so make sure to be first in line. Well, that's it guys for today's episode, and if you enjoyed it, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and if you guys want to know more about fun events in Qatar before they happen, download the Qatar Event app and you'll never miss another event again. Available in iOS and Android, the app is completely free and easy to use. And also don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and be up to date with what's happening in and around Qatar. For more details, visit our website iLoveQatar.net. Happy weekend and salam!